Hello, I'm Borsha and you're watching Carbike360. Summer is a beautiful season for road trips, but it can also take a toll on your car. With angry sun and increased temperature, your car needs special attention and special care to maintain its driving performance. For that reason, in today's video, we have 5 valuable tips that how to maintain your car in summer. So let's get started. So the first maintenance tip is to keep your car cool. You have to check your coolant system regularly and have it serviced if necessary because that is directly proportional to the engine cooling system. Make sure to check your car's air conditioning system and have it serviced if necessary. Also check your car's radiator and make sure it's clean and free of debris. Consider using a sunshade or parking your car in the shade to keep the interior cool and reduce the load on your air conditioning system. So the second maintenance tip is to maintain your battery. It is very important because in heat, it can cause the summer season, the heat can cause your battery to wear out very faster. So it's crucial to inspect it regularly. Check the battery terminals for any corrosions and ensure that the battery is secured tightly in the place. If your battery is more than 3 years old, consider having it tested or replaced ASAP. The third tip is to check on your car's fluid. It is very important because heat can cause a strain on your car fluids, be it engine oil, be it transmission oil, so you have to check it regularly. Make sure to check the engine oil, transmission fluid, brake fluid, power steering fluid and coolant fluid check. Low fluids level can cause your car to overheat, which can lead to significant damage to your engine directly. The fourth maintenance tip is to replace your wiper blades. Now you must be wondering that why I'm even asking you to replace your wiper blades of the car. That is why, because summer is directly proportional to dirt and dust. That what it causes, it makes obstacle, and if there are leaving streaks on the windshield, then you have to replace it immediately because that can cause accidents. You can have problem in driving. It will be creating obstacle and you will not be able to see the other person or the outside view of the car. It's also a good idea to clean your windshield regularly to remove any dust or debris that may obstruct your view. So the last and fifth tip is to check your tires regularly. It is very important because in summers the tires are a part of a car which is directly exposed to the sun. And I have a tip for you as well, that including checking the tires, you also get your tires filled with nitrogen gas only. Hot temperature can cause your tires to expand, leading to overinflation. Check your tire pressure regularly and ensure that they are inflated to the recommended levels. It's also essential to check your tire treats for any signs of wear or damage, as it can affect your car's handling and braking performance. So we have given you 5 valuable tips that how to maintain your car in summers, and that is gonna help you a lot, and that will be increasing your driving optimum experience, and it will keep your car healthy and safe. If you like the content, please subscribe and like the channel Carbike360.